Hey guys, today I'm going to give you a basic understanding on how to build a computer. Open the CPU socket on the motherboard. Gently place the CPU in the socket, aligning the notches. Secure the CPU by gently lowering the socket cover. Open the RAM slots on the motherboard. Insert the RAM sticks into the matching slots, applying even pressure until they click into place. Carefully align the motherboard screw holes and secure the motherboard to the case using the provided screws. Locate the PCI slot on the motherboard. Carefully align up the GPU with the slot and gently press down until it's fully seated. Apply thermal paste, if not pre-applied already, and attach the CPU cooler according to the manufacturer's instructions. Grab your storage unit and slide it into the designated spot in your PC case, securing it with screws. Now slide the PCU into the designated slot in the case. Secure the PCU to the case using screws. Connect the PCU cables to the motherboard, GPU, storage, and other components. Route cables neatly and use cable ties to manage excess cable length. Now plug in all your power cords, and if everything's correct, then it will turn on and you'll be ready to go.